Your browser extensions might just be your biggest security risk. In our digital age, browser extensions make life easier, but they can also open doors to cyberattacks. Recent incidents show how cybercriminals exploit these tools to steal data and wreak havoc. Phishing attacks, malicious code injection, and compromised updates. These are just some of the threats lurking in your browser. Scary, right? But don't worry, Impress IT Solutions has got your back. We offer advanced threat detection, real-time monitoring, and phishing prevention training to keep your business safe. We audit and manage your browser extensions, ensuring only secure add-ons are in use. And if the worst happens, we have data protection and recovery plans to get you back on track. Based in Houston, we know how to tailor our solutions to your needs. So why wait? Secure your business today with Impress IT Solutions. Browser extensions may seem harmless, but they could be your weakest link. Contact us now to stay protected.